Do you need to come in to the house to do the inspection, and do you need an access into every room? We do need to have access to the house because that's how we do the floor elevations. We do the floor elevations from the interior of the house. That can go relatively quickly. We can draw the perimeter of the house on our ArcSite drawing app pretty quick, and then we can put all the additional measurements once we get inside the house, do the floor elevations, and that way we can provide you with accurate data. We would like to get in every room just so we can provide you with the most accurate of information. So we don't have like a corner of the house or something that hasn't been measured and you don't know, but you may be experiencing signs and symptoms in that room. That's the biggest reason why we want access to the entire house. But we get it, sometimes that's not able to happen, and that's okay. We make accommodations with you to kind of see how the house is behaving, and if we notice like different slopings or readings going into that room, more than likely we're gonna tell you and let you know that this room is probably experiencing some sort of settlement as well. We just don't know how much, and we can't have accurate or figurative data to attach to it. If you have any additional questions that we haven't been able to answer in this video, by all means, click the Get Started button or give us a call at the office. We'd be glad to answer any additional questions that you may have, or go ahead and schedule your free foundation inspection to get you rolling, to get you the answers you need.